back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for checking this video out. Thank you for your love, your support in my previous video. And if it's your first time here, welcome. And my name is Dolakbo. If you get to watch the rest of my videos, you would know what I do and why I love what I do. Anyways guys, today's video is a makeup review video. It's a look, it's a vibe, because I'm going to be using the new Aina ABH palette. Guys, is this not goals? Like, is this not how you want your highlighter to look like every single day? Yeah, so I'm going to be recording a look using this palette. I already opened it, I already started using it, and I am super excited for this palette. Anyways guys, my room is super hot because I had to turn off my fan. So I'm just gonna secure the weave first because girl is hot. And sometime soon I'll take off my glasses. Anyways guys, I just wanted to show you guys what the palette looks like. This is the film that's on top of the palette, and this is what it looks like. The colors are super pigmented. They're really amazing. I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm not gonna do swatches, but I'm just gonna show you guys a look. And I'm also going to be using new lashes. I'm going to be using the Velour, Glam and Fluff lashes. I got this on Saturday and I'm so excited to actually use the lashes with this look. Oh my god, I'm breathing so hard. Anyways guys, I just wanted to tell you guys what I was going to be doing in this video. And if you want to see what look I create with this palette, please keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys soon. So I just zoomed you guys a little closer so you can see what's going on with my eyes. So my brows are already done. I used a Morphe brow pencil and I already put a little concealer on my lid. So I'm just going to be going in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumo 05, and I'm just taking that much. I'm just going to use that on all over my eye. And this eyeshadow base is really amazing. I know the hype has been really crazy on social media about it. I tried it and I really see what it's all about. I mean, I used it on my eyes and my shadow did not move. I mean, it was so well blended. I was showing everybody. I was like, see my eyeshadow. Anyways guys, I really love the shadow base for any kind of shadow. So my eyes are primed and they look really nice. I've never taken time to do my eyes this way. So I'm going to be going in with a Morphe brush, and this is the Morphe M505 brush. And I'm going to be going in my crease with Credit, Edges and Ginger, because those are like really warm tones. I really like ginger because it doesn't look ashy on my skin. I'm just going to be putting it in my crease, in that top part. And a little of this shadow goes a long way guys. You don't have to use a lot of it. It's super pigmented. It has a little bit of kickback, but it's not anything we've never seen. And I'm gonna go in with Pinker, which is like a wine shade. I mean, you guys have seen this palette online, and the rave about this palette is amazing because the palette is amazing. It's by Aina. On my lid, I'm gonna go in with the Purple Wiggles, which is what the one color everyone's talking about. And I'm gonna just take an eyeshadow brush. This is an OPV brush, and I'm gonna spread a little with my Morphe setting spray. I just want the shadow to just go on straight to my brush because that has like a lot of fallout, which, like I said earlier, I don't mind. So if you watch Jackie's video when she was talking about this palette, the Wiggles was the color she was wearing, and I just wanted to not recreate that look, but I just wanted to see how that color would look like on me. And I'm just taking the shadow a little to my crease because I want that seamless blending. And I'm just gonna go in with a blending brush to just blend that connection. And then I'm gonna take pinker and just apply it at the ends of my eye, at the outer corner. Oh yeah, so like in my inner corner. For my liner, I'm gonna be using the Morphe gel liner in jet black. So guys, I'm done with my eyes. I lined my eyes and I also applied mascara. I mentioned I was going to be using the new Velour lashes, and I mentioned I got this on Saturday. This is the Velour Fluff lashes. I really love how fluttery it is, and I'm going to be using these lashes off camera, so I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm done with my eyes. I'm just going to do the rest of my face, and for my primer today, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty. I have the mini size, so I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. It's sweating so bad, so if you hear any noise like during this video, I'm just gonna turn on my fan for a bit because I just remembered why I don't like recording makeup videos. Like, I haven't done makeup look in a while since summer started because it's so hot. I mean, I don't like it when it's hot, but now that it's extra hot, I had to close my window because of the noise, and now I turned off the fan and your girl is sweating all over. So I'm done applying the primer, and I'm just gonna use my NYX brush. You guys know that I got this because of Jackie Aina. That's the only reason why I got this brush, because she uses it and she swears by it. And I'm gonna be using my Lancome Tinted Doll foundation. Another thing I got because of Jackie Aina, because Jackie Aina said, and so I got it. But anyways, I'm using this right now because I'm a lot tan. I never thought I could get darker, but like this summer has been the summer of all summers, but I decided to just use the Lancome one because I love it. Concealer under my eyes, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. And I'm going to be prepping my powder while that gets a little tacky. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty Honey powder because it's really warm. I usually use the castor, but today I'm just going to use the honey. And I'm using my NYX sponge. I'm just going to set under my eyes with the powder. And it's the Fenty Beauty I mentioned. Did I mention that? I'm just gonna wait for this to set and bake, and while that is baking, I'm just gonna do under my eyes. I'm gonna line under my eyes, and I'm going to apply some eyeshadow to my waterline. And I'm using my favorite Maverick pencil in black. Using a pencil brush, I'm gonna go on my waterline with the colors that I use in my crease, and that's Credits, Edges, and Ginger. And I'm just gonna blend all that. I'm also gonna take a little bit of pinker and apply that. Going back with that detail brush, I'm going to take Soleil and put in my inner corner. This is fire right here. I'm just gonna apply mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'm just looking for my mascara. Found it. I'm gonna dust off my face first, and I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix powder OG. To contour my face, I'm just using the Maybelline Cacao powder. You know, guys, if you watch my videos, you know that this is a favorite contour powder of mine, and I use it every single day. And for blush, I'm taking the MAC Raisin blush. I usually like to use a flat brush for my contour and my blush. For some reason it just works for me. Because I know some people will be wondering why she's using the same brush. Yeah, it just works. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of highlighter on my nose. And I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my nose. Let's see how that looks like. And I'm using the MAC Snow Flushed. I'm just gonna highlight my cheeks. This is the highlighter combination I've been loving these days. So I take Snow Flushed with my Miss Rose highlighter, the one that looks like Trophy Wife. Tell me you're not leaving for this glow. Well, call me Gloria. So we're all done. I'm just gonna set my face with the Morphe. Ooh. For my lips, I'm gonna be using the MAC Chestnut pencil with the MAC Myth lipstick. So guys, here's the finished look. I really love this look. I love the whole vibe. It's rusty, it's neutral, it's just that look you can wear as a black person. Yeah, I said it. As a woman of color, and you feel really comfortable and glamorous, and it doesn't look like I have a lot of color, but it still looks like, girl, what you got there. So a little bit about this palette. I already mentioned that this is Jackie's first collaboration with ABH, and for the quality and the payoff and the color collection in this palette, I would say it's totally worth the $60 that I bought this palette for. And I literally ran to the store to grab this palette. I was telling one of my friends at work, I was like, I can't wait for 5 o'clock. I need to run to go pick up this palette before it's sold out in Sephora. I even called Sephora and I asked them to put it on hold for me because I didn't want to risk selling out of this palette. So if you guys want to get this palette, even if you don't get it for the colors, even if you don't get it for the brand, get it for Jackie, because Jackie Aina is a Nigerian, and I totally support Nigerians. I totally support women of color, and I totally am happy with this palette. So please support Jackie, get this palette. It's totally worth it. If you're a makeup artist, believe me, this would work for you. I don't think I can rave about this palette too much because you guys know I'm in love with the palette. I mean, look at that, like, look at how pretty it looks. So you guys, support your girl, support our own. If you're Nigerian, if you're black, if you're a woman of color, I'm sorry if you're watching it and you don't like it, but I'm here for my own. Yeah, you guys, go grab this palette before it's sold out. It's a limited edition palette, so go grab your copy now. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, if you didn't like this video, please don't do anything. Just walk away. Just take a few steps and just go, please. Because with the heat and everything that caught me today, if you don't like this video, just go. I'm not going to be upset, but please do not thumb down this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love making videos, even though I'm sometimes not consistent, but I'm really trying. I'm trying to do a video every week. So if you guys want to see more content, if you guys want to ask me questions, do that in the comments. Send me an email. I'm always ready to respond to your emails. I really love this look. I love how I'm looking, and it's so sad that it's 8:50 p.m. and I'm just gonna edit this video and take off my makeup. I'm gonna wear this makeup while I'm editing the video so that I can feel myself the more. Anyways guys, I know I'm just rambling, but I really love this look. I love how I'm looking. Like, I feel like Jackie right now. I probably feel like how she felt like when she launched this palette. I feel like how proud I can feel the pride. Okay, she's our own, she's our child. I can feel it. Anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I try to make jokes once in a while, but don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.